Welcome to Non-Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can unlist a property on Airbnb. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right section. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, click on Listings option in the top menu, and then click on your listing once again. That will open the listing editor. And on this page, the very first option you will see is the status, which is listed at the moment. Just click on this setting anywhere. That will open another pop-up where you will see listed, which is the current state. And if you want to unlist it, you can just simply click on unlisted. And on the next screen, it is asking whether you want to snooze it, which means whether you want to unlist it for a specific duration. If that is what you want to do, you can just choose the dates. And once the end date arrives, it will be published automatically without you having to do anything. On the other hand, if you just want to unlist it for now and you will decide later when you want to publish it, you can just simply click on this option, and then they will prompt you to choose a reason. You can choose the reason which applies to you, and then just click on unlist. Straight away, your listing will become unpublished. And later on, when it comes to publishing it again, you can just click on the status icon again and click on listed, and then choose list your space, and it will be listed straight after that. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.